Okay, so this tutorial is going to attempt to quickly go over how to create a quiz. So I've made one right here that you'll see in our sample course, but I'm going to go ahead and do another one real quickly here. Fairly simple process. You just want to go to wherever you want, whatever module here you want the quiz to go into, and then click on Add an Activity. Choose Quiz. And you'll get this page right here, and you'll want to go ahead and just type a name for the quiz, description for the quiz. Not putting much effort into this one, obviously, because you can just do whatever you want with it. You can also then change some options here, so you can just kind of click through these and just choose the ones that work for you. Timing is one of them that's kind of interesting. You can choose to open the quiz and close the quiz at a certain time. You can give students a certain amount of minutes to complete the quiz, or hours, days, weeks, even things like that. So you can limit them on how long they have to do that. A couple other options here. You can click on grade, and one of the things I like here is you can give them either unlimited attempts or just one attempt if you'd like to, or multiple attempts if you'd like to do that. So I'll just pick a few here and then move on. You can make a new page for every question, every couple of questions, just a couple of things there. Shuffle questions if you'd like to. You have some review options here, either during the attempts when they're taking the quiz, immediately afterward, things like that. And there are explanations that go with these as well by clicking on the question marks there. But let's kind of go through those and see what you like. Let's see, you can pick decimal places for grades. So in case you want to give half points, things like that, you can put 1 decimal place or none if you'd like to stick to whole points right there. Kind of like the idea of half points myself, because sometimes that works. Let's see, you can give feedback. So depending on the grade, the final grade they get, you can put something like if they get 100%, awesome, you did fantastic, or whatever it is. Let's see. So obviously with these, you just kind of need to go through and check these things and see what works for you, and it may just take a little bit of playing around and kind of getting used to them and seeing what really does work for you. Then I'm going to go ahead, at this point I have my kind of settings set up, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Display. And when I click on Save and Display, it gives me a chance to edit my quiz now. So if I want to, obviously start adding some questions, I'm going to have to say Edit Quiz. And then here I can give a maximum grade in points there. I can say add a question at this point because I obviously want to start adding some questions. And then I have just some different choices here. So again, whatever works for you. If I want to do a true-false question, for instance, I can say true-false, click on Next, and I can say, question 1, this is the best quiz I have ever taken. Is that true or false? I can change the mark here too, make it worth 2 points if I'd like to, and say, of course, this is true. And I can even change some feedback responses here, and if they say true, I'd say, you are correct. Thank you. If I say false, I can say, are you sure? I am giving you a grade on this. Whatever, I'm just kidding around right now, obviously, but you can give some feedback responses, things like that on it. So, and then just save your changes when you're done with that question. And there's your first question. And you can start, building your questions there, and adding pages if you'd like to be multiple pages, things like that. But that's pretty much it. You just say add a new question. And if you wanted them to have an essay response or a short answer or something like that, then you just pick whichever one you want. And that's about it. Thank you.